Sway Casanova. Today we're going to be doing an attempt to repair here again. Today's going to be 4/2/25. It's about 74 degrees, so a little harder than that feels like. We're going to attempt to repair video on this specific shingle as well. As you guys can already see, there's a crease already on the actual shingle itself. From the wing, the adhesive is already dried up, meaning that again the rest of the shingle should be going as well. All right, so as careful as possible. I'm gonna be using the pry bar and again the hammer, taking the shingle out, and again sliding a brand new one in. All right, so we'll go ahead and start doing this. And remember, guys, the goal is to take the nails out. Not only am I going to interrupt this first layer, but I'm also going to interrupt the second layer as well to get this one shingle out. All right, so as careful as possible. We'll go ahead and take this one out. All right. Yeah. Now that you got all the adhesives off, I'm going to go ahead and take the nails out. Alright guys, now that we got all the nails out, we'll go to apply. Go ahead and take it out. So you can see the crease in here as well, the missing dark spots on the actual shingle from the hail impacts and as well from the wind creasing. So go ahead and put that up there, put a brand new shingle in. Alright, now we took it out. Go ahead and put the nails right exactly where you were at. So now that we got this new shingle, as you guys can see, brand new shingle as well, right? But in the process of me putting this one shingle out in, again, not only did I interrupt the adhesive of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and on the bottom right here 2, 8, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 of the shingles were effective just by me putting this one shingle in. As you guys can tell, these ones also have granules. You see the little rocks falling through compared to the brand new one. All right. So again, the extensive damage on this roof is again, it's having a repair is not feasible, and it needs an entire roof replacement. All right, guys. I do appreciate you, and again, have a good day. All right.